Hey YouTube fam, it's Niobe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I contour my face. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and follow me on Instagram. Everything will be down in the comment section. Step 1. So girls, the first step to contouring is applying your foundation. I like to apply my foundation on my sponge, then dab the sponge all over, following up with blending. I avoid certain eye areas, especially my under eye, because the skin is so delicate that applying a lot of product there doesn't help your skin. In the long run, it actually speeds up the aging process. So remember, the less product there, the better. Also, I didn't apply any primer or lotions underneath except for my sunscreen because I have very oily and acne prone skin. So applying that extra layer under my makeup causes heavy breakouts due to pore blockage. This method is dermatologist approved. Yup, that's right. I was shocked when my dermatologist told me this because for years I always wore a layer between my makeup and skin. Since I started this, I noticed a huge difference in my skin and I've come a long way. Step 2, it's time to conceal. So we're gonna apply our concealer in small dots around our orbital bone, but not too close to our eye area, because remember what I told you about that old age stuff, right? Then apply a small amount in a thin straight line down your nose. Note that I stop before I get to the bridge of my nose. We're gonna follow up with applying concealer on both sides of our nose. I'm gonna zoom in for this one so you guys get what I'm saying. Lastly, conceal above your lip area, chin and forehead between the brows. So guys, using a damp sponge, you're going to blend out all the areas you concealed. I started off with my eye area just because I didn't want my concealer to dry and cause a creasing effect. So as I blend it out, I actually look up and stretch my face out. This helps me blend out the concealed areas around my eye without causing any creases and wrinkles. Also, it's a pretty good exercise for your face. I almost forgot to mention, we're going to apply concealer under our eyebrows as well as on top, following our arch. When I blend this out, I'm actually going to be blending out that concealed area onto my eyelid, just so that I have an even skin tone. And also, it's always nice to have your eyes ready and concealed for when you want to add color to your lids. Step 3, it's all about that perfect brow moment. I like to fill in my brows by first lining the shape of my brows, then filling them in. I don't go overboard, I just fill whatever I feel is missing. I just want to get that full bold brow look. Something I notice about drawing and filling in my brows is that the curve at the top of the arch really defines your personality. I notice when I follow the soft curve of my arch, I enhance my natural look. Versus when I give my brows that boxy lining, that gives me more of an edgy, kind of unnatural look. I have to admit, throughout my teenage years, I always lined my brows like a box. Because, that's all I saw on Instagram. But hey, it took a while to learn about my features, so I really hope this helps you. Yay, I like this part. I love when my face looks snatched. I mean, it can really change your whole appearance. It can complete your outfit and boost your confidence. So guys, before we dive into this contour thing, check out these pictures I made. This is a before and after picture. On the before picture, I did highlight the areas that you should apply your contour, dark and light. We all have different face structures, so make sure you follow what's true to you. Now, I'm just here for encouragement. If you need to, go back and pause the video so you can see exactly where you need to contour. Next, grab a damp sponge and blend upward. Step 5, highlight. Pick your favorite highlight and using your finger or a highlighting brush, apply the tip of your nose and along your bridge. I like to apply my highlight on my favorite areas. So not only do I put it on the tip of my nose and bridge, I put it right under my orbital bone. And I also put it on my cupid's bow. I think it's really cute and it makes my lips pop. Time to bronze. What bronzing does is that it gives you this glowy tanning effect that I really appreciate, especially in the wintertime. I apply my bronzer literally where I applied my dark contour, just a little higher. Step 7, apply your blush. Now ladies, the next few steps are a bonus. I love to wear a simple eye look to complete the package. Nothing too fancy nor aggressive. Next, we're going to apply some quick mascara. So since I couldn't find my lip liner, I'm going to line my lips using my eyebrow kit. I mean, there are really no rules to makeup. Now it's time to apply my favorite lipstick, the Givenchy Rouge Lipstick. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I had a lot of fun filming this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social platforms. Love you guys.